welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be hunting pheasants or whatever with my dog. So I will talk as I walk. So I haven't played in a while. It's summertime now, so that should fix a lot of stuff. And so let's see. Yes, okay. Yeah, I got like a bow and stuff and all that great stuff. So they've released a lot of new stuff in the game. They have released a new dog and a new bow. The new bow is, I think it's in between. It's okay, but then there is the new dog, and retrievers, they're not good for hunting big game because they just scare stuff off. So they created a bloodhound, and so I'll probably get one of those soon, and they can be used to hunt big game. So that's pretty neat. So I'll have 2 dogs, and we'll just do some pheasant hunting like I promised. I think I promised in some of my older videos. So we'll probably I guess kill a red deer if we see one, something. We'll see though. The Canadian goose. Very peaceful looking animal. Can we kill it? Not a clue. Oh no. Oh no. Here comes the dog. Let's just tell him to stay. Good boy. Good boy, Renegade. Well, yep, can't hunt it. I found one. There's a hog, but whatever. There's also a pheasant right there. I'm gonna kill it. Have my dog go get it. Should have frickin' saved my idea for Petey Bird till now. Till I had a dog. I can shoot it on the ground, but as most hunters know, that is no fun. The real fun's kicking it up and blasting it right out of the air. Shucks. Hate it when you lose them in the grass. Yeah, there it is. Okay. It should kick up. And I missed. Shocker, I know. Charge! Desperate. I repeat, I will kill this one. I will kill this one. If I miss, I won't miss. We'll just leave it at that. I will not miss. Oh, I'm just so tempted. Oh, the temptation is so strong to just poof. But once again, pheasant hunt is no fun unless you shoot it out of the air. How'd I miss? Ooh, he landed. You stay on the ground. Ugh. What? Oh. Stay on the ground. It's going down. It's going down. See Ellen Timber? She's going down. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me, but how? It's gotta be the computer. I'm playing on another computer than the computer I usually play on. So that is dumb. Oh, I didn't have enough time. Ugh. Oh, right there. Go, 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 go. Maybe we'll cut it off. Oh, that pheasant just landed right in front of me almost. Oh, we'll try and cut this pheasant off over here. I hope that wasn't it that just flew away. Ugh. Makes me mad. Come on. Cut him off. And I have no idea. No idea where he went. There's like 3 pheasants in this field. Oh, 4, 5. There's, where'd they go? There's 2 straight out over there. And then there's, oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Oh no you didn't. Oh no. Huh. Didn't spook, eh? This computer's just a bit laggy than the one that I usually play on. So I guess it makes the shooting a bit harder. Not sure exactly why. See, look. Dead on. Probably won't kill it. What? I don't understand. What is its deal? I know I'm aiming on him. Like I can't even. This is what I get. It's the curse of not playing. Not playing the game. Okay, no, 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 no. Keep going forward. Oh my goodness. Oh, shoot! Shoot! Welcome back. Just continuing the last video, pheasant hunting part 2. Charge! So we have a pheasant down over there, back behind us. If I'm correct, I think that was a female that flew away. Yep, there he is. And die. Always down. Man, this field was just full of pheasants, full of shots. So if we take our trusty mutt here, we tell him fetch. He obeyed. And just come over here. He will pick the bird up in his mouth, and he will bring it to me. That's weird. It's usually up in his mouth. And then he'll put it down, right at my feet. Oh, 24. It's a pretty good pheasant. Not bad. And we will tell him to go get the other one. Nice. Yep, go get the other one. Nice. Actually, what I'll do is I think I'll just... YouTube does 15-minute videos, and my screen recorder does 10, so I'll just put them together. Just do like less than 5 minutes. So, come on, hurry up. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get that new dog that you can hunt big game with. So, yeah, so that's pheasant hunting with a dog. Oh yeah, just show this to you real quick. Because this is freaking, it's a little creepy actually. His name is Renegade. It's awful cute. Yeah, tell me that's not a little freaky. Those teeth. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Yeah, those teeth. Whew. Yeah, so peace out. See you guys in the next video.